journey begins with premium cotton and synthetic fibers, expertly blended and cleaned to create the foundation for superior yarn quality. To achieve the highest level of yarn consistency, carefully selected fibers are blended according to precise production requirements. Multiple drawing operations progressively align and homogenize the fibers, reducing irregularities and ensuring exceptional uniformity, supported by advanced process control and quality monitoring systems. This stage establishes the foundation for efficient spinning, superior yarn performance, and consistent product quality across every production batch. This final drawing stage plays a critical role in achieving exceptional yarn quality. Multiple slivers are carefully combined and equalized to maximize fiber uniformity and minimize variations. Through precise process control, a consistent and stable sliver is produced, providing the ideal foundation for the roving process and ensuring superior performance throughout the subsequent spinning stages. The roving process serves as a vital bridge between fiber preparation and final spinning. Through precise drafting and controlled twisting, the sliver is transformed into roving with exceptional consistency and stability. This intermediate product provides the ideal foundation for producing strong, uniform, and high-performance yarns in the subsequent spinning stage. As the final stage of yarn manufacturing, the winding process transforms spun yarn into customer-ready packages through advanced automation and intelligent quality control systems. Automated yarn clearers continuously monitor yarn quality and remove imperfections, ensuring consistent performance throughout every package. When a yarn break occurs, robotic splicing technology automatically detects and reconnects the yarn within seconds, maintaining uninterrupted production and minimizing material waste. Every package undergoes comprehensive electronic inspection, including checks for yarn defects, tension variations, and overall package quality. Combining automation, precision engineering, and strict quality standards, Viet Thanh delivers premium yarn products that meet international requirements and support customers across global textile markets. Before shipment, every yarn package receives a unique QR code, enabling complete traceability from raw materials to finished products. Integrated digital records provide instant access to production and quality information, supporting transparency and customer confidence. Fully automated packaging systems perform labeling, wrapping, weighing, and palletizing with maximum efficiency and accuracy. As part of Viet Thang's smart manufacturing approach, this process enhances quality assurance, streamlines warehouse operations, and ensures products are delivered safely and reliably to customers around the world. Thank you for watching Viet Thang's yarn manufacturing process. Together, we weave quality, innovation, and a sustainable future.